Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You like me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today, we're about to be heading to Sac again. We're about to be going to Sac Speed Shop. If you've seen the last video, you guys know that today we are going to be dropping off the C6. It is finally time to get this thing back together. I know y'all been missing this car. I've been missing this car. Currently, it is my second fastest car out of the lineup, so I'm definitely looking forward to having this thing back. You guys remember the whole little situation with the trans? Remember, it was at another shop for like 4 or 5 months. Sat there. We were supposed to be in the trans build, but it never fell through. We got the differential right here. We never got the trans or anything back. Right now, the car is literally in pieces. But luckily, Sac Speed Shop found me a Z06 transmission and a Z06 differential, which is beefier than the base stuff, and we're also getting everything cryo treated. Pretty much everything we're gonna be doing to the original trans that was in it, we're about to be doing to a Z06 setup. So my trans already built, everything's done, and now it's time to drop this thing off and get it in. So we should have a transmission setup that should support 1,000 horsepower. So hopefully we ain't got to worry about breaking this thing next time we go to the drag strip and try to warm up the tires or even launch it. So yeah, once this thing's back, man, we're gonna give it a second run to go at Sonoma, see if we can beat our old time, which we should do. But definitely gonna be taking this back to Sonoma. But with all that being said, man, let's wait for the tow truck to get here. Let me finish getting ready, and then we about to be out to drop this baby off. And I also went and bought 2 new wheel locks. We got the car back, couldn't find the wheel lock key, so was like, you know what, let me just order 2, that way I have one here, and I got an extra one to throw in this thing. I need my jumper pack so I can unlock this thing. Alright, tow truck said he'll be here in about, what did they say, 12 minutes? Finally! Finally! This is the first AAA driver I've seen with race rims. Yep, we're good. Perfect. Alright, she's up, so while they strap that down, go in here, grab Nita and the baby, because we got something else, a little surprise for y'all that I'll show y'all a little bit later. So stay tuned. Alright, we here.
Nice and slow.
That's what she said. Hi, mamas. Hi, baby. It's gonna be the first time the Corvette been running since you've been born, huh? Yeah.
Has it been that long?
It has. What's up, Black?
What's good, Black? Make her all confused. I can't just.
I'm about to be heading out right now, so I'll probably be coming back a little later today once Ray gets here. So right now we're about to be heading to the dealership where we're probably about to be purchasing our new family mobile. You already know we've been looking for a new family car, so I think today's the day. Is today the day?
Today's the day.
Baby, today's the day. You'll get a new car? You'll get a new car to mob in? You sure you want this car?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Just pulling up here at the Kia dealership. So yeah, man, go in here, talk to our sales dude. Let's get this damn car. All right, here go my sales rep right here,
Hey,
my boy B.
Good? Welcome back.
What's up? What's up?
Absolutely. So check it out.
So that's what we've been looking at right here.
23 Kia Sportage. Wolf gray, red seats. Woof.
Crazy part is we wasn't even looking at this thing. We came here and was looking at the Tellurites, and then I seen this. I was like, oh, what is this? Had the color, like the interior color. Obviously, we wanted the Nardo gray, but Kia calls it the Wolf gray.
Wolf gray with the red seats, man. So check this out. I want you to go take it back on a test drive, you know?
Shit, she drove it twice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we ready.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, we'll take it.
Right.
She want it, we'll get it.
All right, let's do it, man. Absolutely. So I'll pull it up to the front, man. Nobody's touching this car, so.
That's good.
Absolutely. Come on inside, y'all.
So yeah, there we checked out the Tellurites and everything, and I don't know, it's funny. I don't know how we ended up getting this, but I guess she said this was actually something she was looking at before we started looking at the Tellurites.
Now this is a nice.
Kind of looks like a knockoff Yaris. I'm gonna take the Kia badges off, put Lambo badges on.
Man.
Yeah, why you looking like that? You mad at mama too? She's spending daddy money. She's like, look, like, bro, we do that shit, bro. All right, so funny how they take the payment first and then they bring you in office, right? All right, let's get this paperwork done.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, been here for like 4 hours doing paperwork, but the deal is done. We got a digital USB contract thing, but here's our new little schmobby, new little family schmobby. So this is my first time ever having a car note. I've never bought a brand new car, but really needed this for my daughter. So has a bunch of space, gas mileage is good. Definitely like the color on the interior. What is this? What is this? Nah. New little schmobby. The lower this thing and put it on some wheels. 4 hours later.
What's up with you, my boy?
What's good?
All done?
Yep.
Oh, appreciate your business, man.
Sure, thank you, man.
You know?
Thank you.
Where's the wifey?
She over there somewhere.
Okay, let's get this thing started for you guys. Plates are already on there. You happy?
Yeah, she been bugging about a car, so
Yeah.
I got it for my daughter, not for her.
Yeah.
Alright, so obviously, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be the one driving this home. About to get the car seat. Me and Lil Mama's gonna be taking the first ride. I ain't even drive it yet. She test drove it and everything. I was like, when are we gonna buy it? Huh?
I said, sure did.
Yeah, I didn't test drive it. But yeah, it's pretty sick. Pretty sick. I like it. Oh, look at her getting strapped in. Lil Mama's getting strapped into the new automobile.
You ready to go on an adventure with Daddy?
We out.
Want me to get the mirror?
Yeah. I mean, technically, if I was gonna go buy a new car, I didn't even have to build the G35, but here we are with G35 and a new car. And I still want to buy another car. Yeah, buy a new car for myself. It's cool because this is almost like it has that feature like your AirPods, the noise cancellation. So on the inside, it's like hella quiet. It's like oddly weird. It's kind of like you hear nothing on the outside right now. I mean, she has her little sound machine on, but technically we can turn her sound machine off. This has like inbuilt features for like kids to where is it at? I don't even know how to work this thing yet. But yeah, it has like a feature or some shit to where I can go to like some music, but it has like white noises or whatever for the kids. So yeah, like there's a bunch of stuff. But anywho, let me get ready to mob home. Hopefully Granny likes this too. Alright, so I'm driving this thing, man, and I'm not even gonna cap. Like, it is extremely smooth. You don't hear road noises. Like, I kinda really like it. On top of that, this wasn't even a car I was like even looking at. Like, we were 100% looking at the Tellurites and stuff, and I was like, I don't know, I kinda like this one. Gets better gas mileage. I like the color of the interior better. I didn't like the peanut butter looking stuff in the Tellurite, and you know, when I sat in the back seat was super comfortable when we did the test drive. So literally me sitting in the back seat was almost like the selling point on it, because we were looking at the Sorrentos and the Tellurites. This wasn't even an option for me. but it just so happened that they had this one. This is the fully loaded package, so it's the highest of the trims. Has the all-wheel drive option, all that good stuff, but I actually like this. I actually like this a lot, surprisingly. So yeah, you see little mama's back there. She's big chilling, listening to her water running or whatever. But yeah, we'll be back checking in with y'all when we get to the house. But yeah, man, honestly, I feel like this is like a big accomplishment for myself. Like, I really wanted to buy, you know, a newer sports car or something, but I feel like this is like my not so selfish moment towards like, man, like, you know, do something for the fam. That way everybody else is comfortable, not just like, oh, I'm buying some cool shit for myself, but, you know, being more responsible and doing it. It's dope, man. My very first car that I've ever purchased off the lot, brand new 2023. And I can honestly say, you know, I didn't do it for myself. I literally did it for, you know, for the fam and my daughter. So, yeah, I would have loved to go pick up something new, man. I even had an allocation for, I never told y'all, but I had the option for the allocation for the new Z06, the C8 Z06. And, you know, I passed that up. Also had a super killer deal. I think I could have got it for the same price that I got this for. It was a GT500, and I passed up on a 2020 GT500, you know, because I was like, nah, I need a family car. So, you know, I'm proud of myself. I feel like I made a adult decision over here by doing this, but I really like this car. It's smooth, it's comfortable. I don't know how much I'm gonna be driving it. I'm not sure if Nita's gonna be driving it more than me. I still plan on driving the G35 when it's done as my, you know, my dad mobile, but, you know, I don't want to say too much, but I am looking at getting a newer car. I'm not gonna say what it is, just know it is 4 doors, it is supercharged, and a hint, it is not a CTSV, just for to throw that out there. But it is a supercharged 4-door car that I'm possibly thinking about getting. So y'all that follow on IG saying that fucking stupid electronics, like blinkers on, but you guys seen on IG that I'm possibly gonna be getting rid of the C5, or I even hinted to probably doing the 300ZX. So we'll see what comes up. But anywho, man, let me put this down, keep driving, and I'll be back with y'all once I get home and we show Granny the new car and everything. All right, so I'm just pulling up to the driveway. My little baby love back there asleep, but check this out, man. Check this out. That is dope. That is sick. Like, you can see the C5 next to it. That's pretty dope. Hold on. That is sick. Minus it being white. You know, we got the Nardo gray color or whatever, but yeah, that's pretty sick. Alright, let me get my little mama out. She in here knocked out. Sleeping peacefully. It's the new automobile. It's the new family car.
Can I get up in it?
I don't know. Let's go try and see.
Ain't got no clothes on.
You got plenty of clothes on. You ain't naked.
Yeah, Ain't got no drawers on.
You ain't got no drawers on. Just out here commando. Why you ain't got no drawers on? Huh?
Cause I feel like I took the moon.
Smell it. Take a whiff. What it smell like?
New car.
Smell like what?
New car.
Take another whiff.
Yeah, it's
Smell
my
good,
new
huh?
car. Yeah, it's my new car.